Hello, I am Sonia. Now I would like to deliver about my presentation with topic melodrama. And we move to a film by Bradley Cooper, which title is A Star Is Born 2018. Plot of the drama is Jackson Manny or Bradley Cooper, a well-known country singer trying to fight himself of alcohol and drugs, performs at a concert in California. His main support his Bobby, Sam Elliott, Jackson's older half-brother and manager. After the concert, Jackson visits a tavern where he sees Ellie or Lady Gaga, a waitress as well as a singer and songwriter. Jackson is impressed by Ellie's performance and they spend the night talking to each other. When Ellie tells Jackson the problems he faced in pursuing a professional music career. And the next is a characteristic of the drama. There are Bradley Cooper as Jackson Manny, a seasoned alcoholic music who is Ellie's mentor and lover. And then is Lady Gaga as Ellie, a nightclub singer and songwriter who meets Jackson. And then there is Sam Elliott as Bobby Main, Jackson's older brother and manager. And the next is Dave Chappelle as Georgia Noodlestone, Jackson's best friend and retired musician. And the next is Andrew Dice Clay as Lorenzo, Ellie's father. And the next is Anthony Ramos as Ramon, Ellie's friend. And the next is Anthony Ramos as Ramon, Ellie's friend. And there is a Michael Harney as Wolfie, the limo driver and friend of Lorenzo, and Rafi Gavron as Rage, Ellie's music producer and manager, and Rebecca Field as Jill, and Sangala Luquifa Wadley as nightclub host, William Bailey as Emerald, Greg Grunberg as Bill, Jackson's driver, Ron Rifkin as Carl, Lucas Nelson and Promise of the Real as Jackson Ben, Lionel as Cashier, Marion Williams as himself, and then Brandy Carly has himself too, Elsie as herself, Alice Baldwin as himself, and the last is Don Roy King as himself. Now we move to setting of A Star is Born. The setting of A Star is Born at Greek Theater, performed with the first song released in Solo Songs. And then there is a summary of the drama. After first met, Jackson invites Ellie to the next concert. Although he refuses at first, Ellie attends and with Jackson's help, he appears on stage with her. Jackson invites Ellie to go on tour with him and they have a romantic relationship. In Arizona, Ellie and Jackson visit the farm where Jackson grew up, where his father is buried. But Jackson is shocked to learn that Bobby has sold their family land. Angry and feeling betrayed, Jackson hits Bobby, who then quits as his manager. Before Bobby leaves, Bobby reveals that he had told Jackson about the sale of the land some time ago, but that Jackson was too drunk to pay attention to Bobby's explanation. While on tour, Ellie meets Rich, Ravi Gavron, a record producer who offers her a contract. Despite his objection, Jackson still supports Ellie's decision. Reg makes Ellie move away from country music and into pop music. Jackson misses one of Ellie's performances after he gets drunk in public and he wakes off in front of her friend's Noodles, Dave Chappelle's house, and later makes up with Ellie. There, Jackson proposed to Ellie with a ring made of guitar string loops, and they got married on the same day. When Ellie appeared on Saturday Night Live, Bobby made a peace with Jackson. Later, Jackson and Ellie clashed after Jackson expressed his drunken disapproval about Ellie's new music and performance, which was nominated for a Grammy Award. At the Grammy Awards, visibly drunk Jackson performed in memory of musician Roy Orbison, and Ellie won the Best New Artist Award. When Ellie came on stage and received her award, Jackson followed Ellie. Then he suddenly wet the bed and passed out. Ellie's father, Lorenzo, or Andrew Dice Clay, scolds Jackson, and Ellie helps him come to his senses. Jackson entered a narcotic rehabilitation program soon after the incident. Jackson recovered in rehab for about 2 months. Then he revealed to his supervisor that her attempted suicide when he was 13 years old. Jackson also mentioned that he suffered from tinnitus that was getting worse. In tears, Jackson apologizes to Ellie for his behavior and returns to their home. Ellie wants to take Jackson to perform with him to Europe on his tour, but refuses and forces Ellie to cancel the rest of the tour so he can take care of Jackson. Reg then confirmed Jackson and informed him of Ellie's decision to cancel his tour and accused Jackson of holding Ellie back. That night, Ellie informs Jackson that her record label has canceled her tour so Ellie can focus on her second album. Jackson promised that he would come to his concert that night, but after Ellie left, Jackson hanged himself in their garage. Ellie is deeply saddened. After Jackson's death, Bobby visits him and explains that Jackson's death was his fault and not Ellie's. Ellie picked up a song that Jackson had written and didn't go to perform, so she sang it at Jackson's tribute concert and introduced herself as Ellie Maynard. Ellie is deeply for Jackson's death. Now we move to component of melody drama. Component of melody drama as a form are pathos, overworld, or heightened emotion, moral polarization, good versus evil, non-classical narrative structure, especially the use of extreme coincidence and deus ex machina to further plot element, and sensationalism, emphasis on action, violence, and thrills. And then the component of realistic drama is drama are focused on real life. The theater of realism investigates and spoke about real people in everyday situation dealing with common problems and emphasis on behavior and thought decision, believable dialogue, common everyday settings. And now we move to component of theater of absurd. In absurdist fiction include satire, dark humor, incongruity, the absence of reason, and controversy regarding the philosophical condition of being nothing. Absurd fiction in play form is known as absurdist theater. And the next is absurdist playwrights. Albert Camus, 1930 to 1960. His writing, which addressed mainly to the isolation of man in an alien universe, the estrangement of the individual from himself, the problem of evil, and the pressing finality of death. His works are El Homerifola, 1951, and the second is La Conte, 1956, and the next is Samuel Beckett or Samuel Berkeley Beckett, 1906 to 1989, Ireland writer. He wrote to deal with human beings in such extreme situation and human experience. His works are Fin the Party, 1947, and the last is Happy Days, 1961. And we move to element of drama. Element of drama are provocation is whether provokes the villain to the evil to the hero. Pangs are the pains that the hero, heroine, and the god's character suffers through because of the villain's evils. And the penalty is the last part of the play where the villain gets the punishment that he or she deserves. And then the next is element of realistic drama. Element of realistic drama in the arts, the accurate details, memorable depiction of nature or of contemporary life. Realism rejects imaginative idealization in favor of a close observation of outward appearances. And we move to element of theater of the absurd. Although the term is applied to a wide range of plays, some characteristics coincide in many of the plays. Broad comedy, often similar to vaudeville, mixed with horrific or tragic image. Characters caught in hopeless situation forced to do repetitive or meaningless action. Dialogue full of cliches wordplay. And we move to story of origin of melodrama. Melodrama or melodrames in French was to signify a dramatic piece of music. The melo is melodrama actually implies drama with music. In 1982, Thomas Holcroft's melodrama was used in English. Melodrama becomes popular as an urban audience developing further forms of drama and also the rule of industrial revolution. And we move to history and origin of realistic drama. Realistic drama originated in the last half of the 19th century. In that time, put realistic drama as theater play was to help society. Drama was popular even until now. It concerns with human problem and the truth. One of the contributors was Henrik Ibsen as the father of realistic drama. And we move to history and origin of theater of absurd. Absurd theater started after Revolution playwrights in 1950s to 1960s. Theater is French put absurdist theater as experiment. Then there were so many absurdist written works in French. Danish philosopher Soren Kierkegaard invented absurdist work in 19th century. And this is my presentation. I'm sorry for my mistakes in pronunciation, and I hope you like and you enjoy with my presentation. Thank you.